How to fix iPhone camera issues. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix common iPhone camera issues quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. If your iPhone camera isn't working properly, maybe it's blurry, not opening, or just freezing, it can be really annoying, especially when you need it most. But don't worry, most of these issues have simple fixes. The first thing you should try is closing the camera app completely and reopening it. This refreshes the app and fixes minor glitches. If that doesn't help, go ahead and restart your iPhone. Yes, the classic move, but it works surprisingly well for camera problems. Next, make sure your iOS is up to date. Sometimes the issue is just a bug that's already been fixed in the latest update. Also, if the camera is showing a black screen or not focusing, try switching between the front and back camera. That often resets the lens function. And be sure to check if the lens is clean. Sometimes it's just a fingerprint or a smudge causing the blur. If none of these works, then go to the Apple repairing store and make your iPhone's camera checkup. Hope it will resolve the issue. That's all for the video. If this helped fix your iPhone camera, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech solutions. Catch you in the next one.